My name is Dr. Martina Ansage, and I'm a laboratory head in the Research Immunology section at the Paul-Ehrlich-Institut, the Federal Institute for Vaccines and Biomedicines. We are studying how the immune system works and which factors can influence the safety of biomedicines. In a current research project, we focused on a topic that could be very important for the treatment of haemophilia A. People with the blood disease haemophilia A may either form no coagulation factor VIII at all or not form a functional version of it. Patients are treated with a missing factor VIII as medication on a regular basis in order for the blood to clot normally. A major issue here, however, is that about 25 to 35% of the patients develop antibodies against the supplemental factor VIII, also known as inhibitors, which can ultimately make the therapy completely ineffective. This is where our research question comes into play. Why do some patients form inhibitors, but others do not? Which factors play a role? We sought to answer this question with an analysis of more than 400 blood donations from healthy individuals over a time frame of more than 10 years. Interestingly, the activation of a type of immune cell known as dendritic cells was not affected by the donor's sex, the type of factor VIII used, or individual differences between the donors. The decisive factor was instead the time point of the blood donation, in this case more specifically the season. We have shown that these dendritic cells can be activated particularly strong in the spring if they are simultaneously stimulated with factor VIII and a bacterial danger signal. Analyzing the large data set showed that the immune cells used in the study had lower baseline values of an important activation marker, CD86, in the spring. It is precisely this low value that may make immune cells particularly susceptible to additional stimuli. Seasonal influences, such as sunlight, vitamin D levels, infections, or pollen, could play a role here. Why is this topic important? If we understand when the immune system is particularly sensitive, we can help to better assess the risk of the formation of unwanted inhibitors in the long run. Our results show that even basic immune processes are dependent on seasonal fluctuations. This knowledge will help to utilize biomedicines in a way that is even safer and more individualized in the future. The Paul-Ehrlich-Institut thus makes an important contribution to the scientific evaluation and monitoring of biomedicines.